Ever dreamt of blasting off into space? Well, maybe not literally, but financially speaking, you might be on a spaceship of a different kind, an investment platform. Spaceship, the app that lets you explore the universe of stocks and shares, has become a popular choice for many. But what if you need to bring your investments back down to earth in the form of cold, hard cash? Fear not, fellow spacefarers. This video will be your launchpad for understanding how to withdraw money from Spaceship. We'll break down the process, answer some FAQs, and ensure a smooth landing for your finances. Understanding Spaceship. Before we delve into withdrawals, let's take a quick trip back to the atmosphere. Spaceship isn't a traditional bank account where you deposit cash and withdraw it on demand. Instead, it's an investment platform. You put money in, Spaceship uses it to buy shares in various companies. Think of them as little spaceships themselves, and the hope is that these shares increase in value over time. So, how do you get your money out? Here's the key. To withdraw money from Spaceship, you'll need to sell your holdings. Imagine it like selling your spaceship for a profit. The process is fairly straightforward. Log into your Spaceship account. This is your mission control center. Navigate to the portfolio section. This is where you'll see all the spaceships, companies, you've invested in. Choose the investment you want to sell. You can sell all or just a portion of your holdings in a particular company. Place a sell order. This tells Spaceship you want to cash out on that specific investment. Once your order is executed, the proceeds from the sale, minus any fees, will be deposited into your linked bank account. Spaceship typically completes these orders within 2 business days. Important considerations. Market fluctuations. Remember, the stock market isn't always smooth sailing. The value of your investments can go up or down. Make sure you're comfortable selling when the market conditions are right for your needs. Fees. There are no withdrawal fees from Spaceship itself, but there might be brokerage fees associated with selling your investments. These fees are typically minimal, but it's always good to check beforehand. Taxes. Depending on your situation, you might owe taxes on any capital gains you make from selling your investments. It's best to consult a tax advisor for specific guidance. Frequently asked questions. Can I withdraw all my money at once? Absolutely. You can sell all your holdings and withdraw the proceeds. Is there a minimum withdrawal amount? Yes, the minimum withdrawal amount is $5, unless you're selling all your holdings in a particular company. How long does it take to get my money? After your sell order is executed, it usually takes 2 to 3 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Remember, space travel, financial kind, isn't always one way. While withdrawing money might be your current mission, Spaceship allows you to reinvest your earnings too. This can be a great way to keep your financial spaceship growing over the long term. Withdrawing money from Spaceship is a simple process, but it's important to understand the mechanics and potential implications. By following the steps outlined and considering the key points, you'll be well on your way to a smooth financial landing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy spacefaring of the financial kind.